Hello everyone. Today we will be making a simple flange in SolidWorks. Let's go select parts, sketch, and then we will select the plane. Going with the top plane. Let's go. First we will be making the center line to align everything perfectly. And then using the line features, we will be making the walls of our flange. We will be trying to replicate this all our sketch, already sketch. So let's go. Okay. Okay. After this, what we will be doing is that we will be defining everything using smart dimensioning. We will define the dimensions of all the parts as in our sketch. I made a mistake here, sorry. Okay, this is going to be of 6 mm and this part is going to be of 24 mm. Similarly, this part is going to be of 30 mm. Okay, similarly we will be defining all the other parts. The distance is half of the distance is going to be half of the diameter, so it is going to be 30 by 2 and 40 by 2, so 15 and 20 respectively. Okay, 38 by 2, and similarly everything is defined now. All the other pieces will be defined. Okay, let's define it. It is 44.2. It is 14.2. And this part is 90 by 2, that is 45. Okay, everything has been defined. Now we need to define it from the center, distance from the center. Okay, done. As you can see, all are black, so all of them are defined. Now we will be using the revolve feature, revolve boss feature to make our flange. Okay, our basic flange is ready, but as you can see, we are missing holes here. Okay, and a chamfer. You can see there is a chamfer of 3 into 3 by 5, 3.5. Sorry. So let's go. Let's make it. Let's give it a chamfer there. Okay. Instead of symmetric, we are using asymmetric. Done. Now it is ready. We just need to make the holes. Sketch. Again, we need to have the center line as a reference line is. Okay, done. Now we will make the circle. As you can see, here the circle is of 12.5 mm diameter. So let's make it 12.5. Okay, done. Now we need to define the distance from the center, and that is going to be 65 by 2. Okay, done. Now we'll be using the feature that is circular sketch pattern. Okay, we are using 4, and we need to define the center. Okay, everything is ready. Features, then extrude cut. Okay, then our flange is ready. Thanks for watching. See you soon.